I'm making a teriyaki carrot slaw that was inspired by a hot dog topping from Leanne Brown's book, Good and Cheap. I start off with about 1.5 pounds of carrots that I peel, and then really the toughest part of this recipe is shredding them up on the large holes of a box grater. After you get your carrots shredded, I like a couple of green additions here, and that comes in the form of a couple green onions and some cilantro. And you just want to slice your green onions and cilantro so it yields about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now, if you're not a cilantro fan, you could certainly leave it out or maybe sub out for parsley or some other appropriate herb. And once you get all of your sort of side greens chopped up, go ahead and add them to a large bowl with your shredded carrots. Then let's work on the teriyaki glaze. I start off with about 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, and to that I add 2 teaspoons of a finely chopped, or in this case, a microplane minced garlic. I put that over medium heat just until the garlic sizzles and starts to cook off with no color. And then on top of that, I add 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, along with 4 tablespoons of a low sodium soy sauce. Now, I return this back to the heat just to get all of that sugar dissolved. While it's still warm, I love to add it over top of the carrots and then give the whole salad a nice toss. This thing is ready to go and you can serve it right away. It's such a nice side along anything that you would normally do, maybe with coleslaw. And what I love is using simple vegetables like carrots and green onions, which are always available, to make something so good. Hope you try it out.